Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I was driving my kid to school today and I heard the lyrics in my head. Open your heart, let your mind be free. And so when I put it into Google, a song came up called Open Your Heart, and it's a song by a band from the 90s, almost 2000s, called the song is called Open Up Your Heart, and it's by the band Out of Eden. So I pulled up the lyrics, and I feel like this is going to be a love reading for somebody. Hopefully this finds whoever it's meant to find. Here are the lyrics, though. I'll read them to you. It says, I can see that you are lost. I've come to find you. Even though you chose to leave and go your way. You thought you'd find more than what I could give you. So I'd let you go. Still, I want you to know. I've seen you struggle. I've seen you crying. Seen you do those things you swore you'd never do. Your guilty soul has got you slowly dying. What you're running from, you should run to. Open up your heart to me, and I will set you free. Open up your eyes and see, I'm everything you need. Open up your mind and know, I'll never let you go. It won't be hard for you to believe if you open up your heart to me. You turn here and there for the things to make you happy. You're on a high, but then you crash when those things tear you apart. Your broken heart needs my love that's real, and you will find a touch from heaven is what will heal. That touch is mine. You can start again if you open up your heart to me, and I will set you free. Open up your eyes and see, I'm everything you need. Open up your mind and know, I'll never let you go. It won't be hard for you to believe if you open up your heart to me. And if yours does fail you, you will find your strength in me. If you fall or lose your place, you'll still be safe with me. Come out of the darkness into light so that you can see. I died for you. You must believe and open up your heart. Open up your heart to me, and I will set you free. Open up your eyes and see, I'm everything you need. Open up your mind and know, I'll never let you go. It won't be hard for you to believe. Open up your heart to me, and I will set you free. Open up your eyes and see, I'm everything you need. Open up your mind and know, I'll never let you go. It won't be hard for you to believe if you would open up your heart to me. If you would only come in close and open up your heart. So clearly this is a love message, whether that be from somebody else that's thinking of you or from the universe. If you feel called to, go ahead and look up that song and listen to it. Yeah, I feel like this song is significant. So, okay, there's the lyrics. Let's get into the message. Okay, Spirit, what do you want to say about this? If you're new to my channel, I pull these cards at the beginning of the reading. It's a confirmation affirmation. So it'll tie everything together and give you an affirmation as well. What do you want to say about this message, Spirit? About this song? What do we need to know? Ooh. I feel like that one too. No. Okay. Alright, next I want to pull from the Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. So we got 2 confirmation affirmation cards. They are face down. What do I need to know about this? I hope you all are doing well out there today. Looks like it's gonna rain here. It was nice and sunny earlier. That one. We got compassion. Gentleness. Feel one more in here. Thank you. An adventure. Yeah, butterflies may be significant here. Innocence at the bottom of the deck. Strength under that. Dragonflies. Dragonflies may also be significant here. Sparrows. Right? I think those are sparrows. And doves. Doves are here as well. Love endures. The bottom of the deck here says love does not give up or lose faith. Love is hopeful and withstands every situation. I feel like I need to look up sparrows for some reason. Hold on. Just totally dropped something. I don't even know. Okay. Says sparrows often represent care, protection, and the value of small things. They can symbolize God's awareness and care for even the smallest of creatures, including humans. Sparrows also signify resilience, adaptability, and the ability to overcome obstacles. What did that just say? Love does not give up or lose faith. Love is hopeful and withstands every situation. Beautiful. Yeah, okay. Oh, oh. Sorry, that was my bad. And there are 2 sparrows in this card, too. Like, I feel like we should keep that out here. Okay, Spirit. What do you want to say from this deck about this message? Oh, thank you. So we got take a chance on love. When we love, our lives are changed forever. This looks like they're going through a portal. Or like, you know those like old movies where like they have like the tunnel of love? Where like they get in a boat and they go like, that's kind of what this is reminding me of. See how they're like moving through, and the water's kind of choppy too. It's like they're moving through this choppy water, but they're gonna come out the other end here. Oops. Anything else? Thank you. Be authentic. Be real and true to who you are and how you feel. Butterflies again in this card as well. What is this? Wisteria? I don't know. I'm really being drawn to that. To those blue flower, like those bluish purple flowers there. Is that wisteria? Let's see. Let me make sure. I'm going to look at the images. Wow. I don't know if this is wisteria or not, but that's what I heard, so it doesn't, the flowers don't really look the same. Let's see. Wisteria, particularly in Japanese culture, is often associated with love, resilience, and longevity. It also symbolizes romance, good luck, and success. Wisteria is believed to represent devotion that transcends death. Wow. Powerful symbol of love. Holy crap. Okay. Wow. Okay. Awesome. I feel like I want to get one more out of here. Yeah, that tracks. For sure. One more. Can we get one more? Oh, thank you. Turn on your heart light. Reflect on a time when you experienced love. Eagles may be significant here. Golden eagle, specifically. Yeah, that's beautiful. I love these cards. They're really pretty. I don't use them often because I don't really do love readings much. Receive with love and appreciation. There's the... Hey, there's the snowflakes again. Yeah, I feel like we need to keep this card. Okay. Gracious acceptance is a way to show love. I do believe yesterday, in the reading I did yesterday, there was a snowflake charm that came out. Maybe we should pull charms too. Okay. I want to get a Healing Waters Oracle card. You want to say from this deck? Release the past, forgive, soften, and move forward. Let it go. You're going to know what this means more than I do, but Spirit's asking you to let it go. Let the past go. Wow. Okay. We're going to take them. Making waves. Momentum is building. It's your time. Achievement. Yeah, here we go. Like, this is perfect. Okay. So, like, with the take a chance on love, let it go. Like, you have to let go of the past to be able to take a chance on love, right? Like, you can't, I mean, you could, I guess, but probably wouldn't be very beneficial to move forward into something new, holding on to things of the past. You don't want that to cloud your vision for the present. Like, yeah, you have to be able to let it go. And with the be authentic, making waves, yeah. Be real and true to who you are and how you feel. Momentum is building. It's your time. Achievement. So that's perfect. Beneath the surface, what's really driving you? True motives, breaking free. Turn on your heart light. Reflect on a time when you experienced love. Well, yeah, beneath the surface, you have to dive deep. You have to go beneath the superficiality. Because love exists everywhere, in everything, all the time. And then the last card is the Sirens. Use your voice, expansion and freedom. Receive with love and appreciation. Gracious acceptance is a way to show love. Yeah. It's like accept yourself for who you are. It's interesting. I'm seeing the what is it, like the whale song card or something? I do believe it's in this deck. Let's see if I can find it. Something about singing your song. I don't know if it's in this deck or if it's in the Starseed deck, but I don't know. Hold on. I feel like it's in one of these decks. Like something about whale song. Yes. Whale and orca elders. Share your song. Frequency of sound. Diving deep. So it was in the Starseed deck. That's what I'm getting from like this Sirens card. Use your voice, expansion, and freedom. Okay. Okay. Now, I pulled out, where's that deck? Oh, here. Out of my Heavenly Bodies astrology deck, I pulled out only the signs, like the sign cards. So, if this is a message from somebody, instead of like, which, I mean, technically it would still be a message from the universe, but either way, if this is a message from a specific person. Ooh, you know what I just noticed? There is a whale on one of our affirmation cards. I'll show you I'll show you when we get to that. But I want to pull out, I want to see what sign, what is the person's sign that is trying to send you this message. Who's this message from? Oh, wow, that one jumped. A Libra. Could be from a Libra. Hold on. Oh my goodness. I heard the sun. So let me try to find the sun card. There it is. Self-express and embody truth. Well, yeah, that goes perfectly with the be authentic and the use your voice, freedom, expansion. Okay, Spirit, any other signs? Taurus. Could be dealing with a Taurus. I mean, I probably wouldn't pay a whole lot of attention to the signs unless you know specifically, like internally, intuition, like that is exactly your situation. Even if you're not dealing with these signs, like I said, this could simply be a message from the universe. Like, period. Anything else? That might be it, guys. Yeah, okay. We have Virgo at the bottom of the deck, though. Alright. Let's pull out some charms. With the Sun card here, too, it could be a Leo. Even though that specific sign didn't come out, because we have the Strength card here too, which is another Leo energy. Okay, Spirit, can we get some significators? And then we have the Sun. That's awesome. the Lovers. Here's the Scales with the Libra. So that's double confirmation for anyone dealing with a Libra here. We have a heart that says love on the back. Turn it around so you can see the other part. There we go. We have the Death Moth. Which wasn't that like, what was that I looked up? I don't even remember now. Something about immortality. What was it that I looked up? Something in this reading. Yeah, it wasn't the wisteria. It was something else. Oh, the sparrow. Right? Was it the sparrow? I swear it said something about... I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I felt like it said something about immortality or like, I don't know. I can't find it. I'll have to watch this back. Anyway, we have a globe. We have a black butterfly. What did I say? Butterflies could be significant here. I did say that. We have 2 rabbits in the forest at night, is what it looks like. Here's another Scales of Justice. So you could definitely be dealing with a Libra. Or you or them have Libra strong in your chart. Or perhaps your Venus sign is Libra. That could also be. A kitty cat on a branch. It's funny, we have the cats on the Lovers card here too. This could be, it looks like an eagle to me, but I guess it could be any kind of bird, technically. Another butterfly. A train. I don't know if you guys can even see that. It's a little choo-choo train. We have a planchette with a bat that says goodbye on it. We have a compass. I'm hearing North Star. True North. True North, North Star. We have a moon and a star. A koi fish. Could even be a Pisces symbol. Could be dealing with a Pisces. A lighthouse. A pair of bedazzled lips. Diamond lips. A snake. Do believe we are in the year of the snake still. Right now, this year is... Ooh, this came in to me as wedding bells. A wedding bell. 2 mushrooms and a mouse. That's cute. A lantern. Light at the end of the tunnel, I just heard. And beautiful. All right. Let's take a look at our confirmation affirmations. Here's the whale. We'll read that one first. It says, I am always provided for. Exactly. You are. You are always provided for by the universe. And this one says, I release physical and emotional tension to create space for flow. Well, yeah, that's like that let it go card. Release, move forward. Yeah. Okay, guys. That's all I have for you right now. I felt like that song was really significant, so hopefully this reading finds whoever it is meant to find. And if you like this reading and it resonated, or if you got something out of it, please write it down in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And otherwise, yeah, like and comment, subscribe if you feel called to. Otherwise, love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.